Dove here from NV Auto with another customer build breakdown. Today's build is Justin's 1971 Datsun 240Z or Z, depending where you're watching this video from. This car came to us already painted, so this beautiful paint job you see on the car has already been done. We just overhauled basically all the mechanicals and all the electrical items on this car. This car started life pretty much bone stock, except for the fact that it had the fender flares on it already and the nice wheels, but it still had the stock L24 engine in it. So what we started with is we got in touch with Datsun Spirit. They supplied us with an L28 long block, and then we fitted it with all the goodies. So like I was saying, under the hood we have this beautiful Datsun Spirit L28 stroker motor. Justin really wanted this car to be a driver, so decided to go away from the carburetors and go to fuel injection. But being a historic kind of purist kind of guy that Justin is, he didn't want the car to look too modern or have a modern intake manifold. So we went with these OER individual throttle bodies, all plumbed in with fuel injectors, and then fitted also, you can see, with coil on plug here. So this car is as start up and go as it can be. It's powered by ECU Masters Black ECU, and actually this car has no fuses or anything like that. We're also running an ECU Master PMU, so all the power management is all done via computer in this car. It makes it really nice and easy to troubleshoot issues, as well as gives a nice modern touch to this older car. Alright, so some of the things that are also modernized, you can see we have a nice big coil radiator here to handle all the heat that this engine puts out. All the plumbing's done by Vibrant, so all the fuel system, coolant hose, all the plumbing, all done by Vibrant. Injectors are from Fuel Injector Clinic. And you can see these are LS coil packs. You can buy these at any auto parts store. It makes it super convenient for if you need to service while you're on the road. And we'll just go over on the other side now. You can see on this side some of the other things that we made. Here's the catch can that we custom made here and powder coated. So all the crankcase pressures and everything all sorted out here. You got no oil vapors going into the engine, nice and clean. Did all the little bits here for the T3 suspension parts. We all powder coated them in the same wrinkle black finish. And then over here, also I missed it when we were on the other side, we have the AM fuel pressure regulator and radium fuel pressure gauge. Kind of the giveaway that this car has been fuel injected. You can see the wiring on this car was all made in-house. NAM did the entire wiring harness on this car right here at NV Auto. And you can see over here the mil-spec connector has a big multi-pin connector here. If you ever need to remove this engine from the car, literally unclip it, all the hoses off, and it can come out nice and easy. One of the few things we did on the interior of this car was the harness bar. Justin's a taller guy. He needs a lot of room in the cabin, and he wanted the car to be nice and safe, so he needed somewhere to have these 4-point Stroth harnesses to attach to. We made this custom harness bar. It attaches to the strut towers as well as it attaches to the rear pillars of the car to give it good rigidity and safety. And as you can see, we did it again, the same wrinkle black finish. Doesn't stand out, doesn't smack you in the face, just nice and clean. In the interior, everything is super basic. It appears all stock. OEM speedo, OEM RPM gauge, oil pressure, coolant temperature, all that stuff are the OEM gauges. But through the ECU Master EMU Black, we were able to program all these gauges to work with the signals sent from that ECU. So although it looks all stock, this is still all controlled by the standalone ECU management. This car's got a 5-speed gearbox in it, which makes it really nice to cruise on the highway. And it even still has rear defrost, so this is a real driver, daily driver car. On the bottom side of the car here, you can see that he has gone with the entire Technotoid Tuning T3 catalog. It has all of their parts. It's got T3 coilovers, arms, tie rods, absolutely everything is from T3. One of the things I forgot to mention while we were up top, because we added fuel injection to this car. We now have a fuel pump, an ECU, we have lots of electronics running. We've upgraded to a 100 amp alternator so it can support all the electronics that this car now has, because the original 40 amp alternator couldn't handle all the loads of cooling fans and all that and whatnot. So up front, all T3, beautiful headers here as you can see, and then moving back, all stainless steel exhaust, goes 6 to 2 to 1. In the back, the T3 party continues, all T3 lower control arms, T3 coilovers, sway bars, all the diff bracing as you can see here is all from Technotoy Tuning. All the best stuff in the Datsun market, and these guys have it cornered. Polyurethane diff mounts. This differential is actually out of a Subaru. This is the only Subaru part on the car. It's an R180 from a Subaru STI. And stainless steel exhaust and a fresh fuel tank we put in the car. And like I said, this has full fuel injection, so high pressure fuel pump. And just a lot of fun. Really wish we could have taken this outside right now. Unfortunately, it's raining. When we went to do this video, it started raining within 5 minutes. So no road test video yet. This car has been on the dyno just for a break-in because this engine's brand new. It's gone through the break-in process on the dyno. Justin needs to take it, put some street miles on it. I don't know horsepower figures yet, but just from what we've seen in the little few dyno pulls that we've done, half throttle stuff, I bet you this makes very close to 300 horsepower, which in this very light car is going to be incredibly fun to drive. Thanks for watching the latest customer build breakdown here at NV Auto. If you like this video, comment below, like, subscribe, do all those things. It helps in the algorithms. We really appreciate it. And if you're looking to have any work like this done to your car, make sure you email us, info@envyauto.ca, or you can even call or text 905-667-8828.